Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a morning glory. Have your paper face up and I'll start by folding it in half lengthways and on the diagonal so I can make a square base. So I'll finish my last diagonal fold. I'll take one of the sides, lift it up and let it naturally fall into shape, and then flip over to the other side to do the same. Then I'll take the uppermost layer and I'll fold this all the way down as far as it can comfortably go. So I've got access to these middle flaps now. I'll fold this down before I do the next step, then I'll allow this to open up and flatten into a square. Then do the same on the left side. Use the bottom flap and fold it back up to the top again. Then I'll use the outside edges and fold these in towards the middle. Flip over and repeat these steps here. For the rounded edge, I'll grab some scissors and cut around the corners. And ta-da! Open up your morning glory to see the beautiful colour inside. Happy folding and thanks for watching! Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.